Richard Stolliker, and job title irrigation specialist. It consists of the irrigation timers, irrigation valves, the lateral lines, and sprinkler systems, making sure everything's worked, nothing's broke, everything stays green, anything that has to do with irrigation. Good morning. It's a new brewery that they want to put in a outdoor patio, so I have to move all of our irrigation. It never stops. It don't slow down. To me, it's just simple. It's fun. Once I start doing it, it's like, I like doing this. And this is where I want to be at. Makes me feel good, and it makes everything look good. I'm proud of what I do.